Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on profile view on TikTok. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open TikTok. Once you open TikTok, then you need to click on profile in the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on the eye icon in the top right. Okay, and then you need to click on the settings icon in the top right, and here you can see that profile view history. Now you can see that it is currently turned on, and if you want you can simply select another option, or you can do this step from another way. You simply need to click on three bars in the top right, and then you need to click on settings and privacy, and then you need to click on privacy again, and here in the bottom you will see the option of profile views. Now you can see that it is turned on. So this is a process by which you can turn on profile views on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.